Hey everybody, Lois Threlkeld, Amy Yoshimitsu, Geof. We're here at the Oklahoma City.
It's Geoff Craig.
Geoff
Okay.
Craig.
That's okay. We're all good.
Diane-
We're pick.
Diane Gifford.
What exactly do you do, Geoff?
We help small businesses face all their legal challenges, but at such an amazing rate, people can't believe it.
And how do you do that?
Crowdfunding for legal. If you can imagine crowdfunding, it's a great thing. Now apply that to the legal, and suddenly legal, it doesn't have to be such a devastating thing that hits most businesses at some point. And we help.
That was so good. I love that. Crowdfunding. Yes, that's the perfect term. Okay, Amy, what do you do?
I help small business owners grow and protect their business so to save time and make more money.
Perfect. And so, Geoff, how do people contact you?
Well, my website is www.lsrep.com.
Excellent.
Perfect. Lois Threlkeld, Ladies of Justice League. We got Geoff, we got Amy. We would like you to comment, like, share, subscribe. See you later. Thank
I
you.
need a picture.
See you later. Thank
Bye,
you.
guys. Stay tuned for more.
Bye, Geoff.
Amy, tell me your last